Let's learn how to unblock someone on Facebook. If you had a fight with someone and you blocked him a long time ago on Facebook, but now you want to unblock him, I will show you exactly how to do that. First, let's open Facebook app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, you need to click on 3 horizontal lines in bottom right corner of the screen. That will send you on this Facebook menu, on which you need to go on little gear icon in top right corner of the screen. Next, you came to Settings menu, on which you need to scroll all the way down until you can see this blocking option, and when you see, go on it. Now Facebook shows you a list of all your blocked people. You can also block someone that you want by tapping on blue option, where is written Add to Blocked List, and find person you want and block it. Let's back on theme, so when you see this list, choose a person you want and click on button right of that person where is written Unblock. And last, confirm you want to unblock this person by tapping on Unblock option on this pop-up menu. And on that way you are unblock someone. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.